Hi you guys, it's Percy. Hi you guys, it's Percy coming back to you with another freaking video. And in this video, anyways, let me just, how y'all like that intro? I know it's just something plain and simple, but I did it myself. So you know, when I do something, I just feel like I took over the world when I do something. But no, today I'm thinking about, I don't know, I'm thinking about, I want to go get my nails done, nails cut or whatever, because honey, they be breaking when they get long. I also want to get my toes did. I want to get a back massage. I want to go shopping. I want to redo my bathroom. I want to do a lot, okay? But I'm thinking, okay, I'm thinking about just making this into a business video. I haven't decided because I really want to do this hydrating fruit thing with y'all. I don't know. I decide once I get up, okay? I see you later. I will see you later. Hi you guys, I am back. So I know earlier when I was recording the video it was daylight outside, but now it's nighttime. This probably be like a 2-day type of video because I have a lot of stuff to cut up. So right now I'm going to cut up with y'all is some lemons and some limes. I also have some grapefruit and oranges to cut up, but we will have to do the oranges and grapefruit tomorrow because we have to get this on the dehydrator tonight. So I already washed my hands. As y'all know, I do use my hands. I barely use gloves. So anyways, let's get to it. So the way I'm going to cut this up, let's take the sticker off. I am going to soak these. Once I'm done cutting them up, I am going to soak these in lemon water. So I'm just going to cut the top off and the bottom. And I'm going to try to get these as thin as possible. If y'all know a cutter that I can get that can just like push down on the fruit so I can be able just to cut these in one smooth action, please let me know in the comments below, because this is a lot to cut up. But anyways, I'm going to speed up the video because I know y'all probably do not want to keep hearing the knife hit the plate. Okay, so let's speed up this video. Look, this is how the lemons and limes look cut up. Now I'm about to show you my dehydrator and the stuff that I use to load the dehydrator. So yeah, here is the machine that I use. It is called Presto. Now I'm about to set my temp to 150 degrees because to me it works best at 150. And then I'm going to set my timer to 12 hours. Now I'm about to show y'all how I load it. Okay, so these are my trays. As you can see, they're stackable. and clear, got holes in them so the air can be able to travel through them and dry out the fruits. That is how a dehydrator works. So I already cleaned out the trays. As y'all can see, I cleaned out the bottom and everything because I did attempt to use this way before I even started recording this. So right now all I'm going to do is load my lemons and limes. You want to like use a napkin to damp the excess water off of them so they can dry better. So here I am. I'm going to use about, I don't know, 5 trays. I believe I used 5 trays. So the bottom one is 1 tray. This is the second tray. And you want to make sure like you do not overfill each tray because you want the air to circulate throughout the whole trays, okay? Okay, I was wrong earlier when I said I used 5 trays. I've used 3 trays and this is how it looks. Okay, so I just applied the top to it, and as y'all can see, it's a set of temps already set for y'all. But I tried to use the 135, and the 135 did not work for me. So yeah, do what you feel is best. So I'm gonna to let these dehydrate for 12 hours. It's about 2 o'clock in the morning, and I'm just checking on the lemons and limes. As you can see, it is starting to curl, which means that the dehydrator is working. And I believe I have about 6 hours to go. So see y'all in the morning. Good morning. The alarm just went off, and let's take a look at these. Let's take this lid off because look, so crispy, so bright. Y'all, these turned out perfect. So right now, let's just go through them, just check them out, see which ones I'm going to add to the second batch. As you can see, that's kind of still soft and juicy. That will get added to my second batch. But I am happy with the turnout of these. This is the end of the video. Let me know if y'all enjoyed this type of video because I will do the other fruits that I have left. And if y'all have any questions, always comment in the section below and I will get back to y'all. Peace out until next time.